Hello everyone, welcome to Java Code Threads. Today we are going to discuss about sum of list of doubles. In the last video, we were discuss about the sum of list of integer. In the same way, we are doing the sum of doubles by using the sum method as well as by using the reduce method. So here, I'm not going in depth because in the last video I show you how we can solve the sum of integers. So here the number is the list. I have converted it into the string form. Now I'm going to use map to double it. In the last video we were used map to int, correct? So now I'm going to use map to double. I have to process the each element, passing the each number, and sum is the method. The sum function is available on the map to double, map to long, map to int. Okay, so I'm using the same thing. Okay, let's store it into the local variable for sum and just print it by using the sysout statement. So let's try for the output. We are getting sum as a 15.6. Okay, so this is the way one we have done through the sum method. Now we are discussing about the way two by using the reduction functions. Okay, so numbers I have to convert it into the string form. Then I am directly using the reduce method. So in this reduce we have to use double identity and the binary operator. In the last video we were using the integer identity. So now this number list is the form of double. So that's the reason here it's coming as a double identity. Okay, now we are going to use this one. So here a double identity, in the last video I said like this is the first argument of the reduction functions, and a second is nothing but this is the binary operator which act as a by functions. Okay, we need to pass the two argument over here and we have to process the result. Okay, that's it. We have done with our solution. So this is giving me a error. Okay, string of double is not applicable for the argument int. So here I have passed the 0. We need to pass 0.0. Okay, let's assign it to the new local variable called reduce. Okay, let's print it. Sysout reduce. Okay, let's try the output. We are getting the same output. Okay, so as we know like what will happen if I change the first argument or the double identity. Let's try yourself for this permutation combination. What will be the result? Guess the result for 0.5, 0.10. Okay, and I'll give you one assignment to you guys. In this video and the last video we were discussing about the sum. Okay, now you will try for the multiplication of integer as well as multiplication of the doubles. Okay, thank you for watching this video and please do like and subscribe. Thank you.